We're out here at another success story. This one completely different from our previous success stories. And that came with an incredible amount of activity through the property. We had a little over 45 buyers through the home in a weekend's time. We had over 12 offers on the home, selling the property for $63,000 over the original asking price. We ended up closing on this home for $538,000. My client was so ecstatic because when we looked at the comparable sales, homes selling in this price range were for homes that were completely remodeled, had all the bells and whistles. So to get that price in this kind of market and the condition was a big win for everybody. And what I'm getting at is, if you're thinking of selling your home this year, let's say the home isn't in the best of condition, but you'd like to see what the market could give you, give me a ring, reach out to us. We'd love to help you. And who knows, we could be doing a success story on your home. You could DM us, you can contact us directly at the number below. Have a great day and thanks for tuning in.